Dear students, I am Mr. T.D. Zadav, Assistant Professor in Chemistry at KTHM College, Nashik. Students, previous session we learned BET theory and adsorption isobars. Now, today we are going to study about the classification of adsorption isotherms. Now let us go to the classification of adsorption isotherms. There are 6 general types of isotherms, and the shapes of these isotherms as shown in figure. Now here the plot the adsorbed amount versus relative pressure, that is P divided by P0. This is relative pressure. Now the first, this is the type 1, the adsorbed amount versus relative pressure. The shape of the curve is like this, means these isotherms are of typical microporous solids. Only monolayer adsorption occurs. Micropore filling occurs at a relatively low pressure. Now this here adsorbed amount increases, here relatively low pressure is less than 0.1 P divided by P0. The adsorption process being complete nearly equal to 0.5 relative pressure, that is P divided by P0. The examples of this type is the adsorption of nitrogen gas on microporous carbon at 77 Kelvin and ammonia gas on charcoal at 273 Kelvin. Then type second, see this curve, type second, shape of this curve. The adsorbed amount versus relative pressures. The nature of this curve is like this. It describes the physical adsorption of gases by non-porous solids. Monolayer coverage is succeeded by multilayer adsorption at higher relative pressure, that is P divided by P0 values, means this is higher relative pressure values. Then type third, see this type third, the adsorbed amount versus relative pressure. Now see this curve. Now here these isotherms are obtained from carbons with mixed micro and mesoporosity. In this case, the amount of material adsorbed increases without limit and its natural adsorption approaches unity. Now see this, increases without limit and natural adsorption approaches to the unity. Then type fourth, it is convex towards the relative pressure axis, means it is the convex towards the relative pressure axis. It is a characteristics of weak gas solid interaction. These isotherms describes a multilayer adsorption process where complete filling of the smallest capillaries has occurred, and it originates from both non-porous and mesoporous solids. Now see this Fourth graph, convex to this relative pressure axis. Now here, this is the shape of this curve, that is type 4th. Then type 5th, these isotherms also convex toward the relative pressure axis and weak gas solid interactions. These isotherms from microporous or mesoporous solids. Example of this type is the adsorption of water vapor on graphite carbon black. Means now this is the convex towards this relative pressure axis. Then last, type 6, in which the sharpness of the step depends on the system and temperature. It represents stepwise adsorption on non-porous surface. The step height represents monolayer capacity. For example, adsorption of argon on graphite, adsorption of krypton on graphite. Now here the stepwise adsorption, see this graph, the adsorbed amount versus relative pressure. This is stepwise adsorption, means the sharpness of this step is depends on the system and temperature. See, this is the first step, then second, and like this. Means this is the type 6. It represents stepwise adsorption on non-porous surface. The step height represents monolayer capacity. Okay, stop here. Thank you.